Today I'll share an essential animation that people who make medical presentations need to learn. This animation helps you to show transformation over time. For example, take a look at this. Here we want to show development of fetus over time. On a click, we show a 4-week fetus. The same fetus grows to this stage in 10 weeks, and it grows further to this stage in 16 weeks, and it develops to this stage in 20 weeks. So this animation shows the developmental stages in a very beautiful way, and it has a lot of application in medical presentations. This could be 4 stages of cancer, or it could be 4 stages of wound healing. There are so many ways you can use this simple animation to present progress over time. So let us learn how to do this animation from scratch. I am Ramgopal from presentationprocess.com. We help professionals like you create engaging presentations. Let us start with these 4 images that are cropped in a circular shape. There is no compulsion that these pictures need to be in circular shape, just that this kind of a crop gives it a more pleasing appeal. Then I created these labels using 2 text boxes, the first one with a slightly bolder font and the second one with a normal font. And I made sure that they are all properly distributed horizontally and that these labels are properly aligned to their respective pictures. So this is a basic setup. The real game is in animation, so that is what I'm going to focus on. First, let us select this. Let us introduce this with an animation called as stretch animation. So let us go to more entrance effects and say stretch. This is under moderate and say OK. The only change we are going to make here is to go to effect options and say from left. So this is how it enters the scene. And right after it enters the scene, we are going to have this wipe out. So I'm going to have this animation pane open. So we will have this wipe from top and happens after previous. So the first bit is done. Then we need to have this transform into this picture while moving from this position to this. The way we achieve this is by selecting this picture. We go to add animation. The reason is we already have an animation on this, if you remember. So we are going to add the second animation. So we are using this. Go to more exit effects and this time under moderate, use this one called as collapse and say OK. And this collapses to right. So that is how it collapses. And after that, we are going to have this enter the scene with the same stretch animation. So let us add animation here and go to more entrance effects and say stretch animation, say OK, and this is going to happen from left and this happens after previous. And after this image transforms from this to this, we will have the corresponding explanation, wipe from top after previous. So let us see what we have done so far in the slideshow. On a click, we introduce the first picture and the explanation. Then on a click, the first one transforms to the second one and the explanation. Then we will do the exact same thing as we did earlier. Select this. Add animation, more exit effects, collapse to right, and after previous we will add animation and say more entrance and say stretch, OK, from left, and this is after previous. And after this gets transformed, we are naturally going to have this wipe down and after previous. Now that we have shown this, let us transform this to this. So let us select this, add animation, more exit effects, collapse, OK, from to right. And after that, we are going to have this, more entrance effects, stretch, and this happens from left after previous. And after this appears, we are going to have this wipe from top after previous. So let us see in the slideshow. On a click, we have stretch, wipe, collapse, stretch, wipe, collapse, stretch, wipe, collapse, stretch, wipe. So that is how this animation works. If you are into creating medical presentations, then we can help you in 2 ways. One is by way of a paid resource called Medical Presentations Bundle. This bundle has a collection of more than 900 PowerPoint templates which are animated. They help you visualize your ideas in an engaging way using custom animation. Since most of the medical presentations are dry and complex, this bundle ensures that your audience stay engaged with your presentation from the beginning till the end. It also has a very useful training program. This training program alone is worth the price of admission. And then we have some supporting resources that help you in making your medical presentations better. The link is in the description box below the video. So click on the link and get to know more about this product. If you liked this tutorial, then you will really love this playlist that we have put together for medical presentations. The start of the playlist is this video, which shows you a medical PowerPoint slide makeover. So go ahead and start watching these videos one after another, and you will really improve the way you present your medical presentations. I'll see you in this video.